So just a little story time for the morning, real quick, before I go back inside. The doctors say my daughter have allergies and asthma. I've had her seen by like 3 different doctors: John Muir, Kaiser, and Brentwood, and Health Center. And these are the medicine that she takes every morning and every night with the vaporizer. But I don't know. I think it's because before COVID, she never ever got sick. Not once. Like, maybe once a year, a regular cold. But after COVID and taking the first shot and then the second booster shot, like, I refuse to get the third and next shot, but I'm gonna get the flu shot. But I don't know, it did something, because now she gets sick every other week. Or it just prolongs, like she's always sick. I don't know. Let me hear y'all thoughts.